Let's go thrifting.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hi, my name is Keisha, aka Keisha the Stylist. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. So today I'm taking you guys thrifting. I'm putting on my stylist hat today because I am thrifting for a style box. You guys know I did a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and the prize was a style box. I just had my consultation with her this week, so I am about to go source for her box, and we will see what we find. I probably won't find everything in one trip, so this is probably just a sneak peek of what the style box will entail. But before we get into that, if this is the first time seeing my face, yes, this face, and you love thrifting, come thrifting with me, estate sales, anything secondhand, anything vintage, and sustainability is your vibe. I am a stylist, I am an entrepreneur, and I take you through the day-to-day of me being an entrepreneur, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Hit it. I already know how I feel about you guys. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and doing all the things. I really, really, really appreciate you guys so much. Like I was saying, I am about to go thrifting, and I'm thrifting for that style box. And I'm also thrifting for some other things as well. So let's run down the list. So my client, the winner of this style box, she asked me how would I view her style, and I'm going to show you some of her Pinterest board looks. And the words that I chose to describe her style was sophisticated, eclectic. I use those words in some type of variation of that, of those two words, sophisticated, eclectic, or eclectic, sophisticated, or something like that. And the reason why I chose those words is because the silhouettes that she had on her Pinterest board leaned very sophisticated, very tailored. The colors were very neutral and things like that. Very classic, but there were also some styles that were very eclectic in like the patterns and had abstract print silhouettes and things like that. So that's the reason why I put those two words together, and I think that is such a fun combination, and I can't wait to start sourcing for her box. So not only am I looking for items for her box, I'm also looking for denim. I am adding on some denim to some of the items in my artist collection. So if you didn't check out the first episode of creating the artist collection, it dropped on Sunday, and I hope you saw that huge shocker that I showed you guys, because I'm still blown away. So I do need some denim to create some of these items that I'm really, really hoping works out. I'm going to do what Felicia from BOK Media Life says that she's going to try to do, découpage, or that, whatever that word is. I'm going to try my hand at it again. I did it for that bag that you saw me upcycle, so I'm going to try it on some of these items, and hopefully it works out. We're going to keep our fingers crossed. So I am looking for denim. You guys know I am a freelance merchandiser, so I go into different stores and merchandise their areas. It is just another way to get some more income, like multiple streams of income over here, y'all. Multiple streams. I go into different stores and I merchandise their departments. I do a lot of Adidas, and I want to find some Adidas apparel so that I can incorporate that into what I wear to some of these stores, because they don't want you to wear anything with a logo unless it is that brand. So I'm going to look for some of that. And if you didn't know, on my social medias, I am doing a 30-day style my closet / inventory challenge. So while I'm going to work, I still want to be incorporating. I still want to look stylish going to these different stores and things like that, but I got to be comfortable, but I still want to look stylish. So we're going to see what we can find as far as Adidas and maybe some just no brand type clothing. Who knows? So let's go through our list again. So we have denim. I want to find some wide leg or straight leg pants or jeans for my style box. I want to find a men's button up or button down for the style box as well. Then I want to find some type of amazing outerwear, either a blazer or a jacket for the style box. A bucket bag, definitely, for the style box. And then I want to find Adidas or no brand, cute little things that I can wear for my freelance merchandise. So that is the list. Let's go. Let's go. Super excited. Come on. Before we go thrifting, I wanted to take you guys through the process of me customizing a jacket for Felicia for BOK Media. She ordered a mystery box and I wanted to do something special for her. I customized this silk jacket from the 90s. And she just dropped the unboxing of the mystery box on her channel. I will link it in the description so you guys can check that video out, and definitely subscribe while you're there because her content is so bomb. I keep saying it, but it is so true. Try to include her reaction to the jacket in this video if I can, but if not, definitely check out that video so you can see her reaction to all of the items from the mystery box. Please leave in the comments, let me know what you think. Check out my mystery boxes on my website, also style boxes as well, and also vintage, amazing vintage items in the vintage closet. I'll let you guys later. So this is the jacket that I'm working on for Felicia from BOK Media. So I've done like my usual spray paint and paint splatter on it. It's different paint splatter on the back, more vibrant colors. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put BOK on the front here, and then I'm gonna put something on the back because it's like really plain on the back, but I think I'm gonna put something on the back. I wish I found some crafting like patches that are on the sleeves, but unfortunately I could not find that. But I hope this turns out bomb. It looks good so far. It's way more interesting than what it was in the beginning. I will say that. So yeah, so this is what we have so far. To tell y'all the truth, stencils are not my best friend. Like, I had to go back through and let me show you and paint over the lines and do some crafty stuff to make it look like like the spray paint didn't bleed in the stencils. So I'm gonna see how this looks when it dries. I hope it looks good because I'm so upset about that. But from afar it looks good. But just up close I gotta, hopefully it dries and look way better. But yeah, I hate stencils. So y'all, this is the jacket. I'm so freaking proud of myself. This K is a little struggling. The K is a little struggling, but that is fine. Yo, this jacket is so fire. This jacket is so fire. This is the back. I didn't do any lettering on the back because the front almost took me out. But yo, this jacket is so fire. Now I have to like spray. Let me show you guys what I'm about to spray on it. Just to make sure that everything stays where it needs to stay. Dang, this K is struggling, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I hope she don't mind. But yo, this jacket is so bomb from what it started as. Man. So I showed this before. This is a fabric crafting water shield. So this is like if you need to wash the item or do whatever you need to do, it will protect the craft. So I'm going to spray this on here so it can protect the work that I've done to this jacket. I'm so proud of this jacket. I hope she like it. I hope she like it.
In true Keisha fashion, look at how this is. Before I even open it up, do you guys see the detail that she put on packaging this? It was folded so nice and so neat. And she put this bag on it to kind of protect it. And this fancy hanger. Oh, does that smell like your house, Keish? I love the way that smells. It actually kind of reminds me of my mom's place in North Carolina. So thanks, Keish. Gave me a little bit of home here. Oh, what? What in the Keisha the Stylist? Are you guys, I don't even know if this is coming through, you guys. Custom piece. Are you joking? Look at this custom. It's basically like one of those kind of windbreaker with a zip up situation. It's true quiche. It's true quiche if you love Keisha the Stylist.
I'm going to show you some of the items. I'm going to show you some of the items that I have. Not finding a lot, but I'll show you what I have. This blazer, really cute. Let's see, can I push y'all back a little bit? I like the colors in this button up. I have the colors of the season. These are not Adidas, but they're Nike, and I love this Hermes shorts. So I'm going to show you some button-ups that I just found. So this one, I like the colors. I love the fact that it has that kind of marigold and the navy. That is really cute. I love a good plaid, and I love the colors in this one. Very fall. This teal green is really cute with the stripe. This blue, black, and kind of yellow in that. Really cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. This green kind of gingham is really cute. This light blue one, nice. Red plaid one. And this kind of pastel color one. But I just found these genuine leather orange pants, and they're plus size. So I'm definitely going to show you some options that I'm going to run past her. Don't know if she's going to like it or not, but we will see. This is a quilted like jacket, really lightweight. I love the floral print. Really cute. I like this blue color. It is really, oh, it has a hole, so that's a no. So this is a very pretty blue. You guys probably can't see it, but it's really cute. And then this trench coat is so dark. This trench, really nice. I like this skirt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but I like that detail. Super long. Who knows? Ralph Lauren, you cannot see it. It's this beautiful purple corduroy. Really cute. Y'all know I love a good house coat. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Y'all know it's not going to stay white, right? So I am back. I want to say that it wasn't a successful thrift trip. The reason I'm saying that is because I didn't get any Adidas at all. It's crazy because I could find buku of Nike items, but I could not find the only Adidas items I found were items that were for little boys. And I could try to squeeze up in that, but probably not. Probably not. I will say I found a few pieces for the style box, and she watches, so she knows what the pieces are. The interesting thing is that I've never did a style box for someone who actually does what I do, or that is, surrounded by fashion or does fashion. So communicating with someone who has the knowledge and knows exactly what her style is, knows what she likes and what she doesn't like, it is different. It's a different feel than clients who are looking to you to kind of help them out and help them figure that out. So there's been a lot of communication, which I love. It's been a lot of like, hey, do you like this? Do you not like this? Type thing. So it eliminates a lot of stress for me because I want the person to love the box that they're getting. And anytime I send off a box, I am stressed out until the person gets it because I want them to be happy with what they get because I know it's hard out here, y'all. I know that, believe me. And I don't want people to feel like they're wasting their money. So I want to make sure that I'm doing the best job that I can or doing an amazing job, period, for my clients. And I want to make sure that I give them an amazing service. I wash everything. I dry clean if I need to, do everything that I can to make it a very enjoyable experience. So that is my goal. And so that was a positive. I found some items that will work. I will have to look through my inventory and go to another thrift store probably to kind of close out the box. But yeah, I found some denim to pretty much work with, but I'm so surprised that they didn't have as much denim as they usually have, which is super weird. I don't know what's going on there, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me on this thrift trip. It might seem short to you guys because it was crazy busy in there, but I've been there like, what time is it? It is 6:28. I left the house at like 12. Yeah, I've been there that long. I've been in the thrift store that long. So it hasn't been a short thrift trip, but it looks short. So that's all I have for you guys. I'm trying to think of what's going to be the next video. Be a styling video. So outfits inspired by Thelma and Walona. Is it Walona? I hope it's Walona. That is all I have for you. Make sure you are signed up for my website because you should have already received the newsletter. Like, comment, subscribe, and definitely subscribe and share. Share with people who you think will be interested in sustainable fashion, secondhand fashion, vintage, all of that type of stuff. Safe space for creatives, awkward people, all of that jazz. And yeah, so have a good night, have a good day, have a good week, have a good weekend, have a good weekday, and I will holler at you guys later.